So if you got a 041 and I think a few other the O series, the crankcase will get filled up with bar oil because they've got these little rubber O-ring things, I guess, for lack of a better term, and they go on the shaft for the oiler and they leak when they shrink up. And when they leak, they let the bar oil go right into the cylinder and it essentially just locks up the saw. So hopefully the camera is going to pick up, obviously this is the old one that's dirty, how much thinner the walls are compared to the new one. If you look like right here, you can see the new one is much thicker, and that's what's going to keep the oil where it's supposed to be and not going down into the cylinder. So I'm going to throw this all together and then we'll fire it up. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but the little dowel that the oil actually runs through down in here is now sticking down below this rubber gasket right here, where before it was actually proud of it. It was sticking up above because the gasket had shrunk so much, or O-ring, or whatever you want to call this rubber thing. But this is the curse to a lot of these Stihl saws, and it's like a $10 part. So I got the oiler put back together. I'm going to drain all the residual bar oil that leaked into it while I was waiting for this part to come from Amazon, or actually eBay, Amazon, and it was $30. The Stihl dealer said it was 10 and then they couldn't get it. You can see the oiler's all reinstalled. It's just a C-clip, it's pretty easy. It's gonna be smoky till all that extra bar oil burns off, but so if you're having an issue with this on the oiler of your Stihl, this is the part number from Stihl. I just punched that in online and this part, well, the new one came in. But I got this all put back together. Simple part, but had the whole saw locked up. But now it's fixed.